Disclaimer: this content is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial, investment, tax, or legal advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. The opinions shared in this video are my own and are based on my personal investing journey and experiences. Always do your own research and consider consulting a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Investing involves risk. The value of investments can go up or down and could lose some or all of your invested principal. Past performance does not guarantee or predict future results. Nothing in this video should be interpreted as recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any security. You are solely responsible for your own investment decisions. Hello and welcome to Always Be Investing. Today is Wednesday, August 12th, 2026. Day 26. Inflation cools, AI stocks surge. $100 into VTI. VTI $381.83. Market near records. The message? Keep buying great companies through the noise. Today's market in one sentence: good enough inflation plus very strong AI earnings equals a green day for stocks. The market did not need perfect news. It needed news that was better than investors feared. 1. CPI cooled. Headline inflation eased up 3.4% year over year. 2. AI held up. CoreWeave, Supermicro, and others reignited the AI trade. 3. VTI kept working. Total market investing captured the day without picking a winner. The scoreboard, mostly green. Tech led, small caps participated, and the Dow was basically flat. QQQ plus 0.73%. Russell 2000 plus 0.61%. VTI plus 0.33%. S&P 500 plus 0.26%. Dow minus 0.04%. Takeaway: buying VTI gave you the total market, not just the loudest stocks. Why inflation mattered today. July CPI cooled enough to reduce rate hike anxiety. 3.4% headline CPI year over year. 2.5% core CPI year over year. 0.1% monthly CPI increase. The beginner translation: inflation is still above the Fed's 2% target, but it did not come in hotter than feared. That helped stocks because rate pressure looked less urgent. Cooler does not equal solved. It was just less scary than yesterday. The AI trade came roaring back. Earnings from AI infrastructure companies showed demand is still huge. AI was the engine under today's NASDAQ move. CoreWeave surged after strong results and a bigger outlook. Supermicro jumped after better earnings and strong guidance. AI infrastructure names lifted the broader tech tape. Beginner lesson: you did not need to pick CoreWeave or Supermicro to participate. VTI owns the whole market. QQQ owns more of the tech-heavy side. The ABI move: $100 into VTI. Same plan, same buy, no market timing drama. Current value: $2,665.17. $100 invested today. VTI, Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. 0.262. Estimated shares at $381.83. One day will never define the plan. The habit does. Near records? Buy. Bad headlines? Buy. Confusing day? Buy. Always be investing. The risk that did not go away. Oil. Energy prices remain the wild card for inflation and rates. Oil is the thing that can ruin a clean inflation story fast. Oil shock, gas and transport, inflation, Fed policy, stock prices. Today's CPI was helpful, but if oil spikes again, the Fed story can change quickly. The ABI lesson? Markets price expectations. Stocks do not move because the world is perfect. They move when reality beats fear. Not perfect, better than feared. Bad frame. Inflation is still 3.4%. Market frame. Inflation cooled and matched expectations. ABI frame. I do not need perfect timing to keep building wealth. This is why wait until everything looks safe can be expensive. Always be investing. Day 26, August 12th, 2026. $100 into VTI each and every trading day. I'll see you tomorrow.